big passion for sailing, and now when I can use this boat whenever I want, it's just fantastic that I can just go out and see the archipelago and surroundings around here. First time when I saw the boat, I was thinking that maybe it wasn't a good idea to take care of it or fix it, because I could see that it was a lot of work to do. But I wanted to try to make it look beautiful again, because it's a beautiful boat, and it just needs some more love. Thanks to a lot of friends that have helped me, it was possible to just get ready in a couple of months. So that was really fun.